As mentioned in the interim budget, we need to focus on 4 major castes, namely the Garib, Mahilayein, Yuva and Annadata, the poor, women, youth and the farmer. For Annadata, we announced higher minimum support prices a month ago for all major crops, delivering on the promise of at least a 50% margin over costs. Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana was extended for 5 years, benefiting more than 80 crore people. Administrative actions for approval and implementation of various schemes announced in the interim budget are well underway.